In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the date difference using Power Automate. Power Automate is a powerful tool that helps automate repetitive tasks and connect various apps and services to streamline workflows. One of the most useful features it offers is its ability to calculate the difference between two dates. Whether you're managing projects, tracking deadlines, or simply curious about how many days are left until a specific event, this feature can be incredibly handy. Let's dive right in by first adding a compose action to your flow. Compose actions are versatile components within Power Automate that allow you to perform calculations and process data quickly. To get started, ensure you have your flow set up and ready to add actions. Once you're in the Flow editor, locate the Add an Action option and search for Compose. Selecting this will effectively add the Compose action to your flow, which acts as a container for the operation we're about to execute. Next, we'll make use of the Date Difference function, which is designed to measure the time span between two distinct dates. In the Inputs field of the Compose action, you'll need to insert an expression using this function. So, go ahead and type in the expression date difference 2025-01-01, 2025-06-21. This function takes two parameters, the start date and the end date of the period you want to measure. In this example, we've used the placeholder dates 2025-01-01 and 2025-06-21. To make this truly practical, replace these dates with the actual dates you wish to calculate the difference for. Now, let's talk about the result format and what you can expect to see. When Power Automate executes this function, the result will be displayed in a specific format, days followed by hours, minutes, and seconds. This looks something like 171.4:15:30. Where 171 indicates the total number of days between your specified dates. The 4 represents the number of hours, followed by 15 minutes and 30 seconds. This detailed breakdown allows you to understand not just the number of days, but also the precise time difference down to the second. And there you have it, a complete rundown on calculating date differences using Power Automate's Compose action and Date Difference function. This simple yet powerful feature can modernize your workflow and make date calculations a breeze. Whether you're managing a project timeline or just calculating days to a personal event, this method ensures you have accurate and detailed information at your fingertips. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to incorporate this into your automated processes efficiently. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found this helpful, be sure to check out other Power Automate tips and tricks to optimize your workflow even further.